So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Cure. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix camera icon missing on iPhone. As you can see here, camera icon is missing on my iPhone. So how to bring it back? Well, if you have the latest iPhone, which includes iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max, then there's this camera button and you can use it to open the camera app. For example, press this button and this will open the camera app. Also, there's one more way. Simply swipe down on the home screen and search for camera. Now this shows the camera app. Long press it and now tap on Add to Home Screen. And this will add camera app to the home screen. And now you can change its position. For this, simply press and hold it and drag it to wherever you want it. For example, here. So this is how you can fix camera icon missing on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.